Entered the Wilpattu National. This is the Kalau where last time when I came, the whole place was flooded. The water was up to about 3 feet from where I'm standing. I'm entering the Wilpattu National, just past the Kalau over here. And today's adventure is to ride all the way to Talaimanaar. We are B729 road, which is like, about 60 kilometers. It's going to be all gravel. So let's do this. Beside Wilpattu National Park, taking the shortcut to Mana via the B279 road. Okay, and let's see. That's the signboard. It says Silavature is how many kilometers? 56 kilometers, and Mana is 96 kilometers. 96 kilometers of this gravel road. Woo! Let's do this. I think I did about 10 kilometers and just stopped by to check out this water hole. I see some elephant poop here. Looks like there's been some elephant activity around this place. Okay, there comes the vehicle. It's gonna just push off all the dust. There's some ducks in the water, you can see. I think it's a good idea to get closer, but they're pretty big. There's one over there. He's a small one, he just went down. I saw a painter stop while passing. I think must have went to the other end. Yeah, he's over there, right over there. There's a huge one on that corner. Just wish I had brought my telephoto lens. Damn. I don't think I should be staying here. Let's get out of this place. That's me inside Wilpattu National. A bit of riding. I'm at the point where you turn to the Kudiramalai point. Let me check the map. Whoa. Again, no vehicles, there's no one to ask. I don't know how far this place is, so let me check the map. Long way. Let's see, on the map it says should be somewhere here. I don't know, 5 to 10 kilometers. So we're taking a risk. No matter, let's do this. I'm on my way to Kudiramalai. I just deviated from Mana road, which I shouldn't have done. These roads are only used for safari. By the safari vehicles, I got stuck in sand. Damn. You have to go on a 4x4 vehicle when you're going on this road, not a bike, especially not a street bike. But you know what? I'm halfway through, so I'm just gonna make it. Let's do this. Like going on first here for like past 5-6 kilometers. So I don't know which route to take. I'll probably go with this road, and I don't know, I'll just go about 5 kilometers and see how it goes. If not, I may have to turn around and take this road. But I'm like halfway through, so what the hell, let's do this. Kudiramalai point, get another Y junction. I'm on the Kudiramalai point, so but it's about 1 o'clock. So it's terrible. And it's worth paying a visit. I mean, you would not see anything like this in your place, so it's good. I mean, maybe you can't go down and take a dip or anything, but so I think I probably should get back, if not I will not make it to At the Kudiramalai point, and that's the helipad that's marked in edge. I was wondering why they have cleared this area. Right, I met this jeep driver, and he told me that this was used by the military. Okay. Sunday 2013 at Talaimanaar. Just made it around 6 o'clock. I came to the beach around 6 o'clock and sunset is just awesome. I'm actually in India right now, Dalishkodi, about 32 kilometers from where I am.